Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in BMO Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for BMO Bank. Click on this first website over here. And on the top right corner, we can see this option called sign in. So let's tap on this, and over here we can see this option called register for online banking with a BMO debit card or credit card. You can choose any card you want. So let's go for debit card for now. Now at first we need to enter our account information, that is debit card number, enter a phone number and simply click on verify. Once the verification is done, we get to know next step, that is creation of our new username and password. After which our BMO online banking will finally be activated. So that is all we can do to get enrolled in BMO Bank online banking. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.